Build real Arduino projects from day one. Create an LED clock and weather station. Hi, I'm Ashraf, founder of the Educational Engineering team. I've spent over 13 years teaching microcontrollers. In this course, I will guide you step by step through the Arduino platform. This course covers 26 Arduino projects, from a solar tracker and alarm clock to a motion detector and email sending device. Learn sensors, actuators, displays, Bluetooth, SD cards, and Python. Start with basics and build up your skills project by project. By the end of this course, you will create and code full Arduino systems, understand electronics and libraries, and debug like a pro. Build voice or browser-controlled gadgets. Walk away with real working devices you built yourself. So, what are you waiting for? Enroll now and start building your Arduino skills. No prior experience needed, just curiosity and a board. Let's build your future together.